Mindful Stress Management Workshop. This is a well-being program for employees. Stress doesn't just affect our mental state and mood, it affects our physical and social health as well. What is the reason behind this stress? Our increasingly busy lives cause our minds a lot of stress. This may be largely unavoidable in the workplace, but allowing it on regular basis can adversely affect your workforce and their productivity. Stress management with mindfulness techniques. Through this program, your workforce can learn how to reframe their stress and completely transform the way they think, act, and behave. This unique workshop is designed to provide mindful solutions to employees manage their stress, improve the productivity, reduce associated health risk, and achieve greater well being. The benefits of the program are getting a happier workplace, healthier team, increased morale of the team, increased teamwork, reduced conflict, increased productivity, reduced turnover, and emotional stability. If you are looking for a happy, healthy, and productive team, please contact the details below.